Most gardeners spend real money on store-bought fertilizers, without realizing the answer is already sitting in their kitchen pantry. A single packet of active dry yeast, the same kind used for baking bread, can be transformed into a powerful liquid fertilizer that gets your tomatoes visibly responding within 24 hours. In this video, you will learn exactly how to make it, how to apply it correctly, and why the science behind it actually works. Active dry yeast is made up of billions of dormant living microorganisms called Saccharomyces cerevisiae. These tiny organisms are naturally loaded with B vitamins, amino acids, natural plant growth hormones called cytokinins, and trace minerals including zinc, potassium, and phosphorus. When you activate them with warm water and a small amount of sugar, they become extremely active and release all of those beneficial compounds directly into the water around them. The cytokinins found in yeast are particularly powerful for tomato plants. They mimic the plant's own internal growth signals, telling the root system to expand, pushing the plant to develop new growth nodes along the stem, and triggering the flowering process earlier than normal. Think of it as sending a direct biological message to your tomato plant, saying it is time to grow faster and produce more fruit. This recipe uses grocery store ingredients that cost under $1 in total, and the whole preparation takes less than 5 minutes. You will need 1 standard packet of active dry yeast, which is typically 7 grams, 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar, and 1 liter of warm water. Water temperature matters significantly here, because water that is too hot will kill the live yeast organisms before they have a chance to activate. Aim for water that feels comfortably warm to the touch, roughly 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. You will also need a clean glass jar or pitcher large enough to hold your mixture, a stirring spoon, and a second watering can or bucket for mixing the final diluted solution you will apply to your garden. Everything about this method stays simple, affordable, and completely accessible to any home gardener. Step 1. Pour your warm water into the clean glass jar first. Add your 2 tablespoons of sugar and stir thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved in the water. The sugar serves as the primary food source that activates the yeast and initiates the fermentation process that releases all of the beneficial plant nutrients into the liquid. Step 2. Open your yeast packet and pour the entire contents directly into the sugar water. Give it 1 slow, gentle stir to combine everything, then set the jar in a warm spot away from cold drafts. Within 10 to 20 minutes, you will see the surface of the mixture begin to foam and form a layer of small bubbles. That visible activity tells you the yeast organisms are alive, actively fermenting, and releasing nutrients into the water around them. Step 3. Allow the mixture to activate fully for 30 minutes without disturbing it. By the end of that time, you should have a rich, frothy, golden brown liquid with a slightly earthy, yeasty aroma. This is your concentrated base fertilizer. It needs to be diluted before you apply it to your plants, and the next section covers that exact ratio. Once your yeast mixture has fully activated and is visibly foamy, it is ready to dilute for application. Take 1 cup of your activated yeast liquid and add it to 1 full gallon of plain water in your watering can or bucket. This dilution step is important because applying the undiluted concentrate directly to your garden soil can overwhelm the root zone, especially on younger plants that are still establishing themselves. Direct the diluted solution to the base of your plants, watering slowly into the soil around the root zone. Avoid wetting the leaves or stem, as the residual sugars in the solution can encourage surface fungal development if foliage stays damp for extended periods. 1 gallon of diluted yeast fertilizer is sufficient for 2 to 3 medium-sized tomato plants depending on container or bed size. Apply your yeast fertilizer once per week throughout the active growing season. For the best absorption results, apply early in the morning so the liquid has the full morning hours to move into the soil before afternoon heat accelerates evaporation. Consistency is key. Weekly applications will maintain elevated microbial activity in your soil and keep your tomatoes feeding steadily all season long. Before we keep going, if what you are seeing here is making sense for your garden, take a quick second and hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more home gardeners who could benefit from this information. And if you are not yet subscribed, tap subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Now let us get into the results you can expect. Within the first 24 to 48 hours after your initial application, you will typically notice a visible improvement in your tomato plant's overall posture and foliage tone. Leaves that were slightly pale, drooping, or slow growing will begin to stand more upright and shift toward a richer, deeper green color as the B vitamins and amino acids move through the root system and into the plant cells. By the end of your first full week of applications, new lateral growth nodes will become visible along the main stem, and flower cluster development will accelerate noticeably. Plants that had been slow to set flowers often begin forming multiple bud clusters within 7 to 10 days of consistent yeast fertilizer use. By the end of your second week, the difference between yeast-treated plants and untreated plants growing side by side becomes clearly visible in stem thickness, leaf density, and overall plant structure. Many commercial liquid fertilizers deliver synthetic NPK ratios quickly, but they contribute very little to the living biology already present in your garden soil. Yeast fertilizer does something those products are not designed to do. It feeds both the plant and the beneficial soil microorganisms at the same time. The natural sugars and fermentation byproducts from the yeast provide a direct food source for the bacteria and fungi already working in your soil, which amplifies the entire nutrient cycle happening beneath the surface around your tomato roots. This means that every weekly application is doing two jobs simultaneously. It is feeding your tomatoes with direct bioavailable nutrients, and it is rebuilding the microbial diversity of your soil with each use. Over time and across multiple growing seasons, consistent yeast fertilizer applications will contribute to a progressively richer, more biologically active garden bed that produces stronger plants with less external input needed each year. That is the long-term, sustainable advantage that synthetic fertilizers simply cannot offer. The first and most important tip is to always use your activated yeast liquid within 2 hours of preparing it. The yeast will continue actively fermenting after activation, and the pH and sugar balance of the solution will shift over time. The freshest application always produces the best results, so mix and apply on the same day. Second, pair your yeast fertilizer sessions with a consistent watering routine. Yeast fertilizer performs best when applied to already moist soil where microbial communities are active and water is moving through the root zone. If your garden has been dry for several days, give your tomatoes a standard watering first and then return with your yeast solution the following morning for optimal absorption. Third, avoid applying yeast fertilizer during extreme heat events or when soil temperatures are running very high for extended periods. Elevated soil temperatures can cause the residual sugars in the solution to ferment too rapidly in the ground before the roots have a chance to absorb the full nutrient profile. Moderate temperatures and early morning applications will always give you the cleanest, most consistent outcomes season after season. Active dry yeast is one of the most overlooked, underestimated tools available to the home gardener today. It is inexpensive, straightforward to prepare, completely safe for organic growing, and delivers measurable results within 24 hours for your tomato plants. The combination of cytokinins, B vitamins, amino acids, and soil-feeding fermentation byproducts gives your tomatoes exactly what they need to push out strong new growth, develop a deep root system, and produce a bigger, healthier harvest from the same amount of effort you are already putting in. The complete recipe is simple to remember. 1 packet of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 liter of warm water, activated for 30 minutes, then diluted 1 cup per gallon before applying to your soil weekly. Use it consistently throughout the growing season, and your tomatoes will respond in ways that no synthetic fertilizer off a store shelf can replicate. Once you understand what is packed inside that small yeast envelope, you will never walk past it in the baking aisle the same way again. If this video gave you a practical new idea for your garden this season, please take a moment to hit the like button. It helps this content reach other home gardeners who could use it too. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next video, and leave a comment below letting us know. Have you ever used yeast in your garden before? Or is this the first time you are hearing about this method? We read every single comment, and we would genuinely love to know what you are growing out there right now.